Hello and welcome back to another Gloo tutorial. So the next feature that we're going to take a look at within Fluid Dynamic is a dynamic HTML attributes repeater extension. Let's dive in and take a look. We select the Advanced tab, then scroll down and take a look at the attributes option. Elementor does provide us the ability to add custom attributes to our widget. And of course you can actually add multiple custom attributes, keys and values, but the issue is it's static information and you can't fetch any dynamic data. So this is why we created dynamic attributes, and you may notice that we have this new option here. So if we go and select add item, what we can do is add a name, a key and a value. So for example, if we called this post title, and the key is going to be post title, we're going to select a dynamic value of post title. Let's go ahead and add another. So we'll call this one post ID, and the key is going to be post ID. Of course, the value is going to be the post ID. So let's hit update and take a look at what this looks like in the HTML. So let's preview the changes. If we inspect this elements, as you can see in the HTML, we now have some custom attributes of post title and post ID, pulling back dynamic information. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like with multiple values. So if we jump into dynamic attributes again and add a third item, let's call this service type. And the key is going to be service type. But this time we're going to use a dynamic tag, and then what we're going to choose is taxonomy tags. And if we select this option and we select service type, and the output form we're going to use this time is delimiter, and we're going to fetch back the ID. And what we want to do is the delimiter is going to be a space, because if we use a character such as a comma, it will break the HTML and not display this correctly. So let's go ahead and update this, and it will show that you can have multiple values per key. So let's do that now. So if we inspect the code again, as you can see, the service type is now returning back multiple IDs. So if we jump back and change this to title, we can see the actual names of these services. So let's do that now. So if we go back into the value, change ID to title, hit update. Let's take a look at this for the last time. Service type, service 1, service 2, service 3. Thank you very much again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.